Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Unlocking the Truth, where we explore the hidden realities behind some of the most fascinating and controversial topics in our world today. In this episode, we are going to unveil the dark side of drone misuse and how it is affecting our society, our security, and our privacy. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), are flying machines that can be remotely controlled or programmed to fly autonomously. They can range from small hobbyist devices that can fit in your palm, to large military aircraft that can carry weapons and surveillance equipment. Drones have many positive uses, such as delivering medical supplies, fighting fires, monitoring crops, filming movies, and more. But they also have a darker side, as they can be used for illegal, unethical or dangerous purposes by criminals, terrorists, or irresponsible users. Drone misuse examples. One of the most common and widespread forms of drone misuse is flying them dangerously or irresponsibly near airports. This can cause serious risks of collision, disruption, or damage to aviation operations and safety. For example, hundreds of flights were cancelled, and thousands of passengers were stranded at Gatwick Airport in the UK after multiple sightings of drones flying illegally over the runway. The incident caused chaos and cost millions of pounds in losses for airlines and travellers. Another example of drone misuse is using them for spying or invading people's privacy. Many drones are equipped with cameras that can capture high-quality images and videos from the air. While this can be useful for legitimate purposes, it can also be abused by people who want to spy on their neighbors, celebrities, politicians, or anyone else without their consent or knowledge. This can violate people's rights to privacy and dignity, as well as expose them to blackmail, harassment, or identity theft. A third example of drone misuse is using them for smuggling drugs, weapons, or other contraband into prisons, across borders, or into restricted areas. A fourth example of drone misuse is using them for terrorism or warfare. Drones can be weaponized with explosives, guns, or chemical agents, and used to attack targets from a distance. They can also be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, or propaganda by terrorist groups or rogue states. These are just some of the ways drones are being misused nowadays. But there are many more potential scenarios that could pose serious threats to our society, our security, and our privacy. Drone misuse consequences. The consequences of drone misuse can be severe and far-reaching. Depending on the type and scale of the misuse, they can affect individuals, communities, businesses, or nations. Drone misuse challenges. The challenges of dealing with drone misuse are complex and multifaceted. They involve technical, legal, ethical, and social aspects that require coordination and cooperation among various stakeholders. One of the main challenges is detecting and identifying drones that are flying illegally or maliciously. Drones can be small, fast, and stealthy, making them hard to spot or track by conventional means. They can also use encryption, spoofing, or jamming techniques to evade or deceive detection systems. Therefore, there is a need for more advanced and integrated technologies that can monitor and analyze drone activity in real time and provide accurate and timely information to authorities. Drone misuse solutions. One of the possible solutions is educating and raising awareness among drone users and the public about the proper and safe use of drones. This can involve providing information, training, and guidance on how to operate drones legally, ethically, and responsibly, as well as highlighting the consequences and penalties of drone misuse. Conclusion. Therefore, there is a need for a balanced and holistic approach that considers the benefits and risks of drone use, as well as the rights and responsibilities of drone users and other stakeholders. There is also a need for education, awareness, standards, best practices, collaboration, and cooperation to address drone misuse effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching this episode of Unlocking the Truth. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments below. What do you think about drone misuse? Have you ever experienced it yourself? How do you think we should deal with it? Let us know your thoughts and opinions.